How to fix Apple TV, an error occurred loading this content. Fix 1. Use TunesKit iOS system recovery. Step 1. Connect your Apple TV to TunesKit iOS system recovery. Step 2. Select a mode to fix. Step 3. Download firmware package to fix this issue. Hit on the download button and TunesKit iOS system will fix the issue. An error occurred loading this content Apple TV as soon as the downloading is finished. Fix 2. Check your network connection. Apple TV has a built-in network test. If you don't know how to do it, you can follow the following steps. Menu, Settings, General, Network, Test Network. Then click the OK button on the pop-up window and select Yes. Then, Apple TV will start checking your network connection. Fix 3. Reboot your Apple TV. Though it sounds not like a serious solution, restarting Apple TV is the safest and quickest method that may fix this naughty glitch. You can reboot your Apple by going to Settings, clicking on General, and choosing the Restart option. Fix 4. Disable Send to Apple feature. Send to Apple feature will occupy your internet resource and cause a video buffering problem like an error occurred loading this content Apple TV. To disable this Send to Apple, users can follow this step: Settings, General, Send to Apple. Fix 5. Reset your Apple TV. Resetting your Apple TV is the ultimate method to fix the issue. An error occurred loading this content Apple TV. You can reset your Apple TV by going to Settings, General, Reset, Restore. Then, Apple TV will start to reset and update the device.